the UK's only solely focused composite show, and there's a real buzz about it.
Part of the composites industry, and there's a good place to meet people within that industry.
Bringing the composites industry together from across the different sectors, and we've got the whole range of the supply chain here.
ICS, very friendly, more focused.
Some good insights into the market. I think it's really important for us as a key player.
Main events for all of the composites industry, so we have people from all the different areas and sectors that we work with.
Talks going on, especially the one that we've just had talking about infrastructure in network.
It's part of the growth, part of our involvement with Composites UK. I think it was just a good time for us to put our name out there and just look for other opportunities.
Great contacts, great range of companies.
It's an amazing venue. You've got the entire supply chain here all in one room, which is pretty rare. I mean, I've been to a few of these things before, but never had that sort of personal kind of face-to-face with the UK composites community. Learning myself, about all these different aspects of composites manufacturing has been really, really invaluable.
Looking forward to next year, the new venue. You see it growing from last year, this year, and looking at the map on the wall from next year, it's going to be a bigger event again.